What's up, Mopar fam? Hope everybody out there is having a fantastic time. So today's video is a huge shout out to a fellow Mopar guy that has a very awesome Mopar channel that you guys need to go watch. So, with that said, Hot Damn Racing Team. Guys, please go check out Hot Damn Racing Team on YouTube. He also has a website as well with a lot of badass content, tips, tricks, all kinds of things, and just frankly, he's an awesome dude. He goes out of his way constantly to give shout outs to other channels and other Mopar people. So definitely please take some time out of your day, go check out Hot Damn Racing Team, go subscribe, hit that bell button, go drop a comment on one of his videos saying Frostbite sent you. So I'm gonna go over a couple of things that he's been doing to his truck lately that I know you guys are gonna be interested in. He has a 4-door lifted Ram. It's a 6-speed that he's running a NITROUS kit on. He's got a cam in it, stall converter, tuned, and he is currently, as we speak, in the process of installing a remote mount turbo that he has fabbed up himself. He's got videos on this install for this remote mount turbo all over his YouTube channels. So again, another reason to go check out his channels. It is going to be badass. As you guys know, I did the Torque Storm supercharger setup, which is basically a budget build. He's doing the same thing. He's doing a budget build on his truck with a remote mount turbo. That is awesome. No doubt about, he has a badass truck. He does a lot of racing and he documents and goes over a lot of stuff. Straight up honest dude. He's not going to point you in a wrong direction, and he don't BS his way around the block, that's for sure. This is some of his turbo stuff he's doing right now with the remote mount turbo setup. Definitely hot damn badass. There's no questions that his truck will move. His truck is fast. I can tell you right now, if he was over here in Georgia in my DA, that truck would definitely put up a hell of a battle with Frostbite. No questions asked. A lot of people don't know that he is out in Vegas where there's a tremendous altitude, very super hot. DA is always garbage. So a lot of people give him crap on his times because they don't understand science. But his truck is fast, no question about it. And another reason that I really like watching his stuff is he's kind of like with me. He puts everything on his truck himself. He basically does everything himself on his truck, and he does very good how-to videos. So again, please go check out Hot Damn Racing Team. Link will be in the video description along with the website. He has a website where you can get some stuff like these t-shirts. By the way, I actually love this t-shirt. You will see this t-shirt in a lot of my videos because it's honestly my favorite t-shirt. This thing is comfortable. And the second you put it on, your truck is about 1/10 faster and your reaction time is about 2/10 faster because it makes you hot damn badass. Please go check him out. Joey, I appreciate everything you do out there for us, man. I definitely appreciate you giving Frostbite the shout outs that you have in the past. You have definitely helped grow my channel tremendously and it doesn't go unnoticed. And another thing I want to let you guys know, me and Joey actually has a Facebook group that we would like you to join. It's pretty much strictly for 5-speed and 6-speed Rams with the RFE transmission. So if you have one of those, go find us on Facebook. Me and him runs the group. We're both the admins, and the group is basically for all the 5 and 6-speed trucks out there to chit chat back and forth. So we have kind of our own thing. You know, the 8-speeds are out there, they're dominating everything, and there's no question about that. And that's fine. 8-speeds are faster, no question about it. We started this group just to kind of help each other out with 5 and 6-speeds. You know, what we can do to make them better, what we can do to make them last a little bit longer, and just basically have a place for us 5 and 6-speed trucks to communicate. It's high performance RFE Rams. So again, Hot Damn Racing Team is literally a channel that a lot of people are not noticing and they're not subscribing to. Please, I ask you, go subscribe, give the channel a shot, watch some of the content. You're gonna love it. If you like lifted trucks, if you like fast trucks, if you like turbos, if you like camshafts, if you like Hemis, if you like roasting tires, if you like drag racing, you are missing out. Go hit up the channel, go subscribe. You're not going to regret it. I guarantee it.